Welcome to my channel. In this video, we have to provide a solution to this exponential equation here on the board. We have to solve 3 times 9 to the power of 1 plus x equals 27 to the power of minus x. Then here, we have to provide the value of x that will satisfy this given exponential equation. I put down here solution. I come down here with the question 3 multiplied by 9 to the power of 1 plus x equals 27 to the power of negative x. Then here, the first thing we need to be considered is to express each term here in the base of 3. Since we already have a common base of 3 here, then now the equation becomes 3 multiply 9 to base 3, that will give us 3 to the power of 2, that will give us 9. Then multiply it by already existing power of 1 plus x equals 27 to base 3, will give us 3 to the power of 3. Then multiply it by already existing power of negative x. Then we have here negative x. Then right here, we are going to have, note that this has a power of 1 also, and recall that if you have a to the power of x plus y, that is the same thing as a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y. Then as such, we are going to apply this same principle right here. Now, since the bases are the same, we are going to add the powers. Then we picked out one of the base and add the powers. We have here 2 into 1 plus x plus 1 equals 3 to the power of, multiply this out to the power of negative 3x. Then here, since the bases are the same, we are going to equate the powers. Then as such, we have here 2 into 1 plus x plus 1 equals negative 3x. The next step here is for us to clear out this bracket. How are you going to do that? By multiplying each term inside the bracket by 2, which is outside. Then as such, we are going to have 2 times 1, that gives us 2. 2 times plus x, that will give us plus 2x. Then plus 1 equals negative 3x. Then here, we are going to combine like terms at the right and at the left hand side of the equation. Here we have 2 and I have 1. Then you are going to add them together, 2 plus 1, that will give us 3. Then plus 2x equals negative 3x. Then to write here, the next step to be considered is to collect like terms. Then the equation becomes 3 equals, this is plus 2x. We are going to move it down to the right hand side of the equation. Here we have negative 3x, then minus 2x. Therefore, if we simplify this for the equation becomes 3 equals minus 3x minus 2x, that will give us minus 5x. Then to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by negative 5. Then we divide here by negative 5. We divide here by negative 5. Then here, negative 5 will eliminate negative 5. And we have that x equals 3 divided by negative 5. That will give us minus 3 divided by 5. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this given exponential equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.